Hey my lovely friends, how are you doing? I'm sure you are doing great. Welcome to our channel The Can World. This is Shilpa here and I'm here to take you to the world of English. Let's take a first step in with alphabet. Today we are going to learn lowercase letters. They are also known as small letters. Now sit properly with your back straight, stay attentive, listen carefully and speak after me. So tell me, how many letters are there in alphabet? Well, there are 26 letters in our alphabet. Let's learn. The first letter is A. Speak loudly. A. 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 What comes after A? Correct. It's B. Speak after me. B. 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 The next letter is C. Speak loudly. C. 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 After C, it's D. Speak aloud. D. 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 Let's revise. A. B. C. D. Say it again. A, B, C, D. Let's proceed to our next letter. That is E. Speak aloud. E, E, E. The next letter is F. Speak loudly. F. 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 What comes after F? Yes, it's G. Speak aloud. G. 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 The next letter is H. Speak loudly. H. 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 Let's revise. E. F. G. H. Practice for one more time. E. F. G. H. Let's move forward. The next letter is I. Speak aloud. I. I. After I, it's J. Speak loudly. J. 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 What comes after J? Yes, it's K. Speak loudly. K. 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 After K, it's L. Speak aloud. L. 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 Let's revise. I. J. K. L. Say it again. I. J. K. L. Let's move forward. The next letter is M. Speak aloud. M. 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 After M, it's N. Speak loudly. N. 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 The next letter is O. Speak loudly. O. 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 After O, it's P. Speak aloud. P. 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 Let's revise. M. N. O. P. Practice for one more time. M. N. O. P. Let's move forward. The next letter is Q. Speak aloud. Q. 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 After Q, it's R. 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 The next letter is S. Speak loudly. S. 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 The next letter is T. Speak aloud. T. 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 Let's revise. Q. R. S. T. Say it again. Q. R. S. T. Let's move further. The next letter is U. Speak loudly. U. 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 The next letter is V. Speak aloud. V. 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 After V, it's W. Speak loudly. W. 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 Let's revise. U. V. W. Say it again. U. V. W. Let's proceed further. The next letter is X. Speak loudly. X. 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 The next letter is Y. Speak aloud. Y. 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 After Y, it's Z. Speak loudly. Z. 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 Let's revise. X, Y, Z. Practice for one more time. X, Y, Z. Great. Have you learned? Yes. Now let's revise. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Awesome! You did it! I'm so proud of you. Now tell me, how many letters are there in alphabet? Correct! There are 26 letters in an alphabet. Now today we have learned 26 lowercase letters. Hey, teach them also the lowercase letters and practice these letters again and again for more perfection. If you like the video, just give me a thumbs up. Do share with your friends and relatives and press the subscribe button for regular updates and click on the bell icon for instant notification. See you. Meet you in the next class. Have a nice day.